Okay, it's filming this on a GoPro. I collected these worms earlier, put it in a little bag for my I use for SD cards normally. Okay, so get this hook. Oh, fuck me, it's so cold. Okay, get this hook. It took me, I was out here when it was dry, but it just took so goddamn long, so I had to untangle. The whole wire system, as I had prepared this earlier. Put my lavalier away, it's getting too wet. Ah. I'll bring that back with me on the way back. Alright, all the worms are trying to escape. God damn. This is the difficulty with using live bait. They always want to get away. This will be it, okay. One. Done. Look. So I've got a water bottle as a ballast, and I've got a like stone to weigh it down. One, done. Bend in the hook. Too big a hook and you won't catch anything. This hook's probably too big, but don't really have the time to be messing around with it. Hard to put them on. This is where they squirm the most, as they're being pierced. But live bait, from what I hear, is more effective. There we go, another one done. 1, 2. See if I can make this hook a bit smaller. Now this one I'll put a little cricket on. 3. 4. That one's trying to get away, so let's do that one. There we go, nice small hook. Put it on twice to kind of secure it. Quite a small one, this one. Hook. There we go. Now I'll put an additional one on here with a cricket. It doesn't get nice and fat, and then when they kind of stretch out, it's kind of harder to put them on. I put it on like a ball and hope it sticks somewhere. Okay, we've got some there partially, now I'm going to do it again. There we go. Don't have any more worms left. Yeah, just a small one left. None have escaped, have they? God. Did I see one there?